Long division, dividing by double digits. My question is, what is 2,171 divided by 13? And just write Damson at the side again. Divide, answer, multiply, subtract, observe, next number. Alright, to help me out with this, because I don't know my 13 times table quickly in my head, I'm going to write down the first few stations of the 13 times table at the side. 1 times 13 is 13, 2 times is 26, 3 times is 39, 4 times is 52, 5 times is 65, 6 times is 78, 7 times is 91, etc. And that's going to help me. Alright, then we go to our Damson. Divide first. Alright, 2 divided by 13. 2 is too small. You can't get any groups of 13 from 2. Some people like to write a 0 here to show that, and your remainder. We go straight now to 21. And we say, how many groups of 13 can I get in 21? And by looking at our answers of the 13 times table, the closest one under 21 is 13. So we can only get one group of 13. 2 groups would be too many. So your answer is 1. Answer goes on the line. Now, why is that? Well, we always check by multiplying. So we say 1 times 13 is 13, which we write under our 21. We subtract to find the remainder, and the remainder here is 8. Now we observe to check that this is smaller than our divisor, which it is. So that's fine. We can then bring down the next number, which is the 7. And we start again. So we're ready to divide. We're dividing 87 by 13. How many groups of 13 can I get in 87? Well, if I look here, 87 comes between here. You always go to the station of the times table lower, because you don't have enough to make this many groups of 13. So 78 is our closest, and we say how many 13s were made 78? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 13 is 78. So we write our 6 in the answer. And then, of course, we check by doing the multiplying. 6 times 13, well, we've already discovered that, was 78. And we write it underneath. And now we subtract to see if there's a remainder. And the remainder is 9. Then we observe, is 9 smaller than 13? Yes. So we're ready to bring down the next number, which is a 1. And then we're ready to go to the beginning again and divide. We're dividing 91 by 13. How many groups of 13 can I get in 91? And if we look here, we see that 91 is a station in the 13 times table. So we can get exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 13, which we write in the answer. Alright, we know there's no remainder, but out of habit, we may choose just to write our 91 here and subtract to prove there's no remainder. And that's us finished. So 2,171 divided by 13 is 167.